Peace, love, and light. Peace, love, and light. Grand Rising. I am Queen Ra. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to start off with a nice sound bowl. Nothing too major, just something very, very light for this morning, this rising. We're going to work on our heart chakra and also our root chakra. Take a moment to kind of sit in a nice seated position, or you can lie down, or you can save this for later tonight, or however you desire. Take a moment, take a deep breath in through your nose. Thank you so much. Cleanse that heart chakra. Release all that fear, all that negativity, all that emotion can be released from this frequency. Add love, love and light. You're going to start your Thursday out beautifully. You're grounded. You're protected. You belong here. You belong now. anger, release that depression, release that frustration. We're going to go into a quick meditation, a grounding meditation. We're going to sit up straight in a comfortable seat. We're going to close our eyes. We're going to take a few deep breaths in through our nose and release out our mouth. Deep breath in through your nose and release out our mouth. I want you to visualize roots growing from your sits bones, from your tailbones, from your feet. I want you to visualize those roots, strong roots, going into earth, pushing into the surface, breaking the surface of earth. Pay attention to those roots. Are those roots strong? Are they weak? Are they long? Are they short? What is it that your roots need? Do they need water? Do they need sunlight? As you breathe in and release out your mouth, I want you to give your roots what it needs. Right now, breathe in through your nose and release out your mouth. Deep breath in and release out your mouth. As you give in your roots what it needs, your roots become stronger and stronger, and you start to feel more connected to this earth. You start to feel like you truly belong here. You start to feel more protected and more secure. Take a moment and just sit in this energy, this grounding energy. Because you do belong here. You are protected. You are so safe. You are here and you are now. As you continue to breathe, I want you to visualize a tree trunk growing from the top of your roots. Visualize your tree trunk you desire. Is it wide? Is it long? Is it small and slender? What color bark do you have? I want you to visualize that. And as you visualize it, I want you to understand that this is healthy. This is a healthy trunk because you are strong. You cannot be knocked down. You belong here. You belong now. As you breathe in through your nose and out through your nose, I want you to visualize your trunk getting taller and taller and taller. Keep breathing. As your trunk gets taller and taller, you start to feel a little bit stronger than you were feeling before. You're starting to realize that you cannot be moved because you belong here. You're rooted to this earth. At the top of your trunk, I want you to visualize beautiful branches. These branches are going to be strong and they're going to bear great fruit. The fruit is your choice. The branches have beautiful green leaves. This tree is alive. This tree is strong. This tree is you. Breathe in through your nose. And breathe out your nose. Breathe in through your nose. As you breathe in and out, inhale and exhale, the branches get longer and bigger and the tree becomes so plentiful. I want you to take a moment to just look at this tree. Look at yourself. Look at how beautiful and tall and strong you are. Look at those roots and notice how rooted they are into Mother Earth. How far do they go through that surface? Look at the beautiful fruit that you bear. Breathe in through your nose and release. Breathe in and release. I want you to slowly place your hands on your solar, sacral, belly area. And I want you to hold this energy in. Remember how this tree looked. Remember the tree that you were made of. Remember the tree when times are hard, when you're feeling like you don't belong here, when you're feeling insecure, when you are feeling not wanted. I want you to touch your belly and feel that energy that you've just harvested to build this beautiful and amazing and abundant tree. You can always go back here when you need it. This is your tree. This is your creation. You are divine. You are strong. Take a few more deep breaths in through your nose and out through your nose. And just resonate with this energy. When you're ready, I want you to slowly wiggle your toes, drop your hands, wiggle your hands. Open your eyes. And just smile. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this has helped you. I hope this helped you throughout the remaining of your week, through the weekend. And remember, you are so very strong. You are protected. You are safe. And if you ever feel like you are not, I need you to repeat those affirmations. I am safe. I am protected. I am strong. I am connected. I belong here and I belong now. My finances are secure. My mental health is secure. I belong here and I belong now. Peace.